subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
Huawei has silently launched its new mid-range smartphone globally called Huawei Y8p, and it seems to be a rebranded version of Huawei Enjoy 10s that was launched back in October last year in China. Talking about the specifications, the Huawei Y8p features a 6.3-inch Full HD Plus OLED display with 90.17% screen-to-body ratio. Under the hood, the phone is powered by Kirin 710F chipset paired with Mali G51 MP4 GPU. The device packs with 4 or 6 GB of RAM and 128 GB of internal storage that is expandable up to 256 GB via nano memory card slot. As per the camera, the Huawei Y8p supports triple camera setup on the rear that includes a 48 megapixel main camera with f1.8 aperture plus 8 megapixel ultra wide angle lens with 120 degree field of view and a 2 megapixel depth sensor with f2.4 aperture. At the front, it has 16 megapixel selfie camera under the notch with f2.0 aperture. On the software front, the handset runs on Android 10 based on EMUI 10.1 skin on the top, and it comes backed by 4000 mAh battery with 10 watts charging support. Additionally, the smartphone also supports an in-display fingerprint sensor for authentication. The connectivity option on the phone includes 4G, dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.0, GPS, NFC, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 157.4 by 73.2 by 7.75 millimeters, and it will weigh around 163 grams. Now, talking about the pricing and availability details. At present, Huawei has not revealed the pricing and availability details globally, but it was spotted on Belarus site with the price tag of 549 Belarusian rubles, and it will go on sale starting from May 29th in the country in midnight black and breathing crystal color options. So, what do you guys think of this Huawei Y8p smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.